Right, I'm going to have a go at chicken tikka masala now. Now this is my own recipe, based on the Curry Guy's recipe and Julian Voigt's recipe. I'm going to try something different, see if it works, using fresh fenugreek leaves. So the recipe is on the Curry Recipes website. I'll put a link into that. So these are the spices we're going to use. Basically cumin, coriander, a little bit of chili powder, as I say, fenugreek leaves, a little bit of turmeric and some jaggery sugar, because I do like my curries to have a sweetness to them. Not too sweet, but I do like a sweet curry. So let's get the pan warming now. Get the oil in. I'm going to make a double portion. I normally make 4 at once for this, and it works very well. I'll just do 2 today and see what a double portion works out like. See if it works out even better. Usually comes out like a 9 out of 10. This it's one of my favourites. So fingers crossed. Now I'm filming it. It'll be good as well. Right. Getting there. Okay, so 4 tablespoons of the garlic and ginger. Sorry, 2. 4 in the pan. That paste gone in. Cook for a minute. Put it on the bottom of the pan. Spices in. Put a bit of gravy in to loosen it up. Not much, just a bit. Let the spices cook for a little bit. Right, chicken tikka ready. Let that cook a bit. Put the chicken in. Cook the chicken in the spices. Oops. Not like that. Alright, time for some base gravy. Knock that down temperature a bit so it's not spitting like crazy, it's nice and hot. Now we need to cook that down for a while. I'll wait, excuse me, add some more. Now I normally add coconut powder to this. I'm going to try something different here. I've got some coconut milk. I'm going to put coconut milk in instead, which I think should be better than the powder or the flour. It's a bit drier, so the spice flavours intensify. Right, now time for some more base gravy. Just adding a bit at a time. Bringing up the flavours. Stir in a bit. Come back to that. Right, all the base gravy is in the pan now. So I need to add some coconut milk. So a splash of coconut there, see how that goes. As you can see, I've also popped in the red food dye to give it that great traditional red colour. Certainly smell the coconut. Right, I need to cook that down now to get the right consistency. Okay, so we're ready for the next stage now, which is basically popping in the cream. So in the cream. Stirring gently. lemon juice. Which is just for half a portion is just half a lemon. There's pips out. Oop, there's a pip gone in. Disaster. I normally use a strainer for this, and you can see why, because I'm not very good at getting the pips. Try and find those again. Fish them out. May have lost a pip in there somewhere. Someone's in for a surprise. Once I can find it. Is that it? Oh, that's it. There we go. Right, mix the lemon in. Smelling great now. And the last thing is some butter. Just going to chop my finger off there. A few bits at a time. Mix those in. This isn't one for the dieters, as you can see. There's about 1,000 calories in this. It's very good. More butter. About half tablespoon of butter gone in. Let's get that all melted and warmed. And just the last step is to sprinkle garam masala on top, and we are done. Just turn the heat down a little bit. A little bit of garam masala. Give it that edge. Box that through gently. And it's taste time. So, how have we done? Yes, definitely another 9. Very, very good that. So we'll pop that in a takeaway container now. Organised. There we go. Bring the camera over a little bit. Oop. Tripod's not very stable at the moment, let's just sort that out. Sorry about that. Okay. Plenty of sauce. That's what I like. I like lots of sauce, as you can see. It's only just going to fit in the container. Let's stop there. Finish off with a little coriander. Heat off. Little chopped coriander. Beautiful. Beautiful. Some people like to put a swirl of cream on top. I don't think I'll bother. So I'm just going to freeze it. So there we are. That's the best one today. So that's the chicken tikka masala.